If you are building or maintaining a solar power system, you know that safety is the top priority. One of the biggest challenges is finding a reliable way to safely disconnect your panels during maintenance or unexpected power spikes. Managing DC current requires hardware that is actually rated for the job. Without a dedicated switch, you are left with no simple way to isolate your panels, which makes any small adjustment or repair much riskier than it needs to be. That is where a component like this ABQR 63A DC disconnect switch comes in. It is designed to act as a bridge, giving you a physical way to break the connection safely, and it is housed in a dedicated box for protection. This unit is rated for 1000V and 63A, which covers a wide range of standard residential solar setups. It is essentially a high-capacity breaker designed specifically for the higher voltages inherent in DC photovoltaic systems. Because solar systems are often placed outdoors, exposure to the elements is inevitable. This unit features an IP65 waterproof rating, which means it is designed to keep out dust and moisture, keeping the internal connections dry and stable. The fact that it comes inside its own breaker box is a nice touch. It simplifies the installation process because you don't have to source a separate housing, keeping your wiring neat and shielded from accidental contact. A quick caution: DC electricity can be dangerous. Even if you have the right hardware, please make sure you have the proper tools and knowledge to handle high-voltage wiring, or consult with a professional if you are unsure about your connection. Before you order, take a look at your solar array's maximum output voltage and current. You want to ensure these specs are a good match for your specific configuration, as safety depends on using the right equipment for the right load. Currently, it is listed at $19.78, which is a significant drop from its original price. It is worth checking the current pricing and comparing it against other options to see if it fits your project budget. Overall, if you are looking for a straightforward way to add a disconnect to your solar setup, this might be a solid option. Check the latest details and specs to see if it meets your requirements for your next installation project.